Good morning, students. This is Shivaj Patel and welcome to Maths Chef YouTube channel. Already you know, so this is the start of the CBSE 10th class 10th math syllabus. CBSE, and I already done the real number system. Today is the second chapter. And before going to start the new chapter, so I have to give some updates of the by CBSE, right? So in last chapter, the Euclid's division algorithm, okay? Euclid's division algorithm, right? Algorithm is not considered for the syllabus. So even though I taught it, still, so you can skip for this main exam, for board exams, okay? Similarly, in every chapter, they have given update the syllabus, means they skip some sub concepts based on their parameter, maybe difficult or easiest, or some maybe given to the higher classes or maybe given to the lower classes. Based on their some specific parameter, they update the syllabus, and still, so for board exam we have to follow that one again. In class 11 or class 12, I have to come with the including subjects or syllabus, right? So with respect to polynomials, second chapter, polynomials, okay? So the skipping is, first one is introduction, which one is 2.1, then 2.2 is geometrical meaning of zeros of a polynomial, geometrical meaning of the zeros of a polynomial, the zeros of a polynomial. 2.3 is relationship between zeros and quotients of a polynomial, okay? Relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial, okay? This is the relationship, this is the between, this is the coefficients, okay? In shortcut, yeah, I would like this. And the fourth one is division algorithm for polynomials. That is concept. That is the deleted. 2.4 division algorithm, right? Division algorithm of polynomial and 2.5 is summary, right? Summary. Okay, for this concept of this chapter, this portion, this concept is completely deleted. It means this portion cannot be evaluated for the board exam. Similarly, for the real numbers, this portion includes the division algorithm cannot be evaluated by statement of the NC, that the CBSE. So our motto is only introduction, geometrical meaning of zeros of the polynomial, and relationship between the zeros and coefficients of the polynomial. That's all. Concepts, examples. Concepts with respect to board exams. Okay. Competitive exams, they have the complete liberty to ask the question based on the single concept. They can use this one, they can use division algorithm, okay? Competitive exams completely broad based perspective, right? So keep in mind, for board exam, means those who are on average and weak in the mathematics, just focus on the what they mentioned the syllabus and follow the problems based on this concept. Remember it, repeat it, revision it, rewrite it. Then you get the good marks. Means out of what you can get also by this only following the NCERTs, right? So let's start the polynomials. Polynomials. Chapter number 2. Chapter number 2. Polynomials. Okay. 2.1 is introduction of polynomials. Introductions. Here we have to learn about the what is the linear equation, what is the quadratic equation, what is the degree, what is the nomials, monomial, binomial, trinomial, okay, like that, right? Yes. Second chapter, first concept, okay. Polynomials. Poly means many. Already you know in 9th standard. Poly means many. Poly means many. And nomials means terms. Okay, means many terms. Any algebraic function. So we can call it also. In next class you can know any algebraic expression of function, a relation, a combination of more than one terms, more than two terms is called polynomial equation, right? Polynomial equation, okay, like 2x plus, okay, this single term 2x is equal to 0, so single term. You can write also y is equal to 2x, single term, okay. You can call it monomial, okay, monomial, okay. Based on the terms, based on the degrees, you have the different kinds of polynomials, okay. So then if y is equal to, see here, x is variable, right, and 2 is constant. X is variable and 2 is constant. With respect to this, the equation is writing the one variable in terms of another. Okay, the equation is writing the term, one term, variable term in terms of the dependent variable. Okay, also it's called independent variable. Means you can take the any values independent, and y is dependent. Means dependent, it depends on the value of x. Very important in the expression. So I can tell y is equal to f of x, right? Y is the independent variable, x is the function, okay, f is the function, okay, function, y is the variable, okay. What you f of x is whatever it may be, maybe 2x, okay, it may be 2x, it may be 2, it may be 2x square plus 3 or 3x plus 1, it may be 2x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, whatever it may be. You can take x to the power 10 to the power 10 also, okay, x is to the power 10, x is to the power 9, whatever may be, any terms in terms of the any form, any algebraic form in terms of x with coefficients. So f of x is not the only single value. You can take the any number of values, okay, whatever it may be form. Generally writing is a x is a function of y is a function of x. Y is a function of x. We call it, okay, based on the terms. Okay, based on the term polynomial. Nomials are polynomial based on the terms and based on the degree. Okay, and second total. If the y is equal to, okay, if y is equal to 2x square plus x plus c, okay, degree is the highest power on the variable. What is degree? Okay. Degree of the equation or degree of the polynomial is highest power on the variable here called x. In the equation we can call also polynomial, we can also call polynomial. What the degree means? Degree means the highest power on the variable. Highest power on the variable in the equation. If it is 2, degree is 2. If it is 1, degree is 1. If it is 100, degree is 100. If it is 2000, degree is 2000. We are considering the highest power on the polynomial. Highest power on the variable of the polynomial. Okay. Based on the terms and based on the degree, okay, degree, we have different kinds. For one term called monomial have only x, 2y, 2t, 2p, okay, root of 2, z, whatever it may be, x, y, t, p, z, okay, root 5, s. These are variables. Variables need not to be x and y in any form. P, Q, S, A, B, C, D, alpha, beta, whatever it may be. So they will mention the parameter called monomial. Binomial. Okay. Binomial means it is in the form of 2x plus y and 2x square plus x. Okay. And 3y square plus y. Whatever may be, root 5 into z square plus z. We should have the two terms in between the mathematical operation. 2x plus y, okay, 2x plus x square plus y, x cube plus x square, whatever it may be. We should need two terms. It's called binomial. Similarly for trinomials, okay, x plus y plus z, x cube plus x square plus x, okay, three terms with the mathematical operation. Tri means three terms, okay. Fourth means polynomial, fifth is polynomial, okay. We don't have the exact names, maybe name, but up to here we have nomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial. Similarly, if degree is 1, okay, if y is x plus 1, very important. If degree is 0, okay, it's called constant function, okay. We write also, if y is equal to 2 to the power x 0 plus 1, can I write as 1? If degree is 0, called constant function, constant equation. If degree is 1, to x plus 1, d is equal to 1 here, it's called linear equation, L-I-N-E-R, linear, okay. If degree is 2, x square, this is plus x plus 3, okay. D is equal to 2 is called quadratic, Q-U-A-D-R, quadratic equation or quadratic polynomial, okay. If a degree is 3, y is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus c, 4, whatever it may be, is called cubic polynomial. If d is equal to 4, means x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, something is called biquadratic, right? Based on the terms, we have monomial, single term, binomial, two terms, trinomial, 3 terms, polynomial many terms. Based on the degree, we have constant 0, degree 1 linear, degree 2 quadratic, degree 3 cubic, degree 4 biquadratic, degree 5 again something in technical name, right? This is the second, repeat it again. Polynomial is the algebraic expression, mathematical equation, mathematical form with one variable and another is two variables. Means one is dependent variable, one is independent variable like x, and another is independent variable, dependent variable y. Independent variable means we can take the values of x. We have the complete liberty to put the values either 0 or 1 or 1, whatever it may be. For corresponding value of x, we will get the dependent values of y. So, in equation there are three terms. One is independent, means variable. Independent is x, and one is constant. Ax means a. Coefficient you call as the coefficient also called. Constant also you can call. Another one is the result. Product is form. Y is called dependent variable. Okay, very important. The y is equal to form of ax. Okay, whatever it may be, ax plus bx plus c. Here y is called independent variable, dependent, and x is called independent variable. Independent variable. A and b are called constant, also called coefficient of variable. Constants are also called coefficients of variable. Okay, that's the review, basics introduction of the polynomials. Once again, based on the terms, monomial 1, binomial 2, trinomial 3, we have degree, constant, linear, quadratic, cubic, and biquadratic. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see the next concept here. Okay. Then along with here, we study the zeros of polynomial also. Then we will go to the geometric meaning. Zeros of a polynomial. Okay, so these are the 9th concept, but still many students are don't know basic things. Okay, let's see. Zero of a polynomial. The word itself signifies. Word itself tells the zero means what of the polynomial means. If you putting the value, okay, let's write p of x is equal to 2x plus 3 is the polynomial. For any values, okay, just any values, just put the equation some constant. Okay, just here put minus, okay, put x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Put x is equal to minus 2 by 3 here. So p of minus 2 by 3. So wherever I am getting this one of terms, put the wherever x is, whatever it may be, wherever the x is in the equation, put the value of minus 2 by 3. So this is minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2. This is 2 into x is there. Okay, I am putting minus 3 by 2, right? Plus 3, no x. So here I will get 2 get cancelled. Minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. So p of minus 3 by 2 is 0. So what is 0 of polynomial means? Okay, x is equal to minus 3 by 2 is a 0 of polynomial 2x plus 3 means you can write also p of x is equal to 2x plus 3, right? X is equal to minus 3 by 2, Okay, x is equal to minus 3 by 2 is the 0 of a polynomial p of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Means any value, any constant of x, we are getting the equation 0. The algebraic equation, the polynomial becomes 0. That term, that constant, that coefficient is called 0 of a polynomial. Here minus 3 by 2 is the 0th of a polynomial 2x plus 3. Right? So here how to find this one? So I write it now. Simple. Write just p of x is equal to 0. Means make the equation equal to 0. Means we want 0 now. Okay. We want find the 0 means what it may be should be equal to 0. This product sum. So then we will get the value of x. So what the p of x is equal to 0 is 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Start the mathematical operations with the basic principles. So plus is there. It goes to right side. Sign changes. So this becomes 2x is equal to minus 3. Sign changes. Again here 2 is multiplicating. So go to right side becomes a division. Or that is also true. So I will follow this one also. Another one is there. Minus 3 by 2. So here half is multiplicative. And if it goes to the right side, it becomes division. This is also one method. So many students are getting confused. Why this is? And here, from the multiplication to division or division to multiplication, we are not worried about the sign changes. Only plus and minus operations. We are worried about the sign changes. Again, this is the mathematically. Okay. What the algebraic method is? Okay, sir. This is algebraic solution. Algebraic solution. Very carefully. Okay, algebraic solution. Okay, add. So we want now. We want have to make the x is free from the all terms. So first what we'll do? Add minus 3 on both sides. On both sides. What happens here? 2x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to minus 0. Minus 3. Okay. So here plus 3 get cancelled. 2x is equal to 0 minus 3. Minus 3. Again divide. Okay. Divide 1 by 2. Okay. Divide 2 or multiply 1 by 2. Divide 2 on both sides. 2x by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Because now both sides make it this now. So 2 get cancelled. X is equal to minus 3 by 2. So this is the basic mathematical trend. So just x goes to right side becomes minus and 2 is multiplicative here and goes to right side and becomes a division. That's also the method. But this is the algebraic method. Add the minus 2 on both sides. So we get minus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Again divide the 2 on both sides. So 2 get cancelled. Answer is minus 3 by 2. So what the 0 of the polynomial is with respect to linear equation. Okay, I found it for the linear equation. Okay, you can get it for also which one? Quadratic equation, cubic equation, biquadratic equation with the different methods. Okay, this is so quite easy, right? What the 0 means? Where the 0 means the value of x. Value of x, so where the whole equation becomes 0. That value is called 0 of a polynomial. 0 of a polynomial. Right. Next concept is and something else I guess. Okay. Small concept are here. For the relation between the zeros of polynomial and coefficient. Okay. This is the standard form x plus b here. So example is 2x plus 3. For the 0 of a polynomial here, okay. For the 0 means we can write x is equal to we got minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Right? Just compare these things here. So this can write, okay, with regard to this equation. minus 3 means minus b by a. So here x is equal to, okay, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. Okay, x is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. Okay, this is, okay, minus coefficient of b, constant. Okay, constant term, not coefficient here also. X is equal to minus constant term, constant divided by coefficient of x. For any zeros of polynomial, okay, this is the true for all values. This minus b by a minus 3 by 2, this form. So for linear equation, coefficient of constant minus constant divided by coefficient of x is the zero of a polynomial, zero of a linear polynomial, linear equation. That is the fix, whatever it may be, function ax plus b, 2x plus 3, 5x plus 3, whatever it may be. The coefficient of the ratio of the negative ratio of the constant to the coefficient of x itself is the zeros of a polynomial, linear equation. Okay, that's the thing here. So what is the zero of the equation? Again, revision. Value of the x where the equation, the algebraic expression becomes 0, gives 0. That's called, that value is called zero of a polynomial. For example, this minus 3 by 2 is the zero of a polynomial equation 2x plus 3. Okay, for quadratic we have the different solutions, cubic have different solutions, and for biquadratic also different solutions. And the relation between the zeros of a polynomial and the coefficient of the variables, this for linear equation, the ratio of the negative constant to the coefficients of x is the zero of the polynomial, linear equation, right? Let's see. Next, the geometrical meaning of the polynomial. Then give one equation here. Okay. Let's see the geometrical meaning. Okay, students. Next concept is geometrical, means graphical. Okay, geometrical meaning of polynomial is graphical. How the graph shows, graphical, I can write also, means how the graph shows the equation. So y is equal to ax plus b, linear equation. In general you can take also y is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, so this is the standard form. Okay, y equal to f of x or p of x or s of x, t x, whatever it may be, general form. But f is the form, the relation, the function. Okay, so here the word tells, I know, linear nothing but a straight line. Linear is nothing but straight line. Just take the values. Okay, I told you, x is independent variable. Take the values minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, corresponding value of x is minus 2. Will get y is equal to, for minus 2 will get minus 4 plus 3 minus 1, minus 2 plus 1 plus 1, 0 means 3, x equal to 0 means we will get 3, and 1 plus 2 plus 1 5, and means 4 plus 3 7. Okay, these are the values of y with respect to x. Plot the graph. Okay, just plot the graph. This is the 0, this is the, x axis, x dash. These are the positive values, Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and these are the again y axis. This is the 1, this is the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is the negative value -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Again the negative value -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Okay, in coordinate geometry. Okay, you know what is the this is the two number lines x and y. Okay, they made like that, such that they are perpendicular to each other. Two number lines makes two perpendicular number lines makes the coordinate axis. That is called graphical representation, are also called coordinate axis, and this is called abscissa, right? This is called abscissa. The point here, no? Okay, this is called ordinate. P of x, y, and this is called abscissa. Okay, x is called abscissa and y this is called ordinates. Okay, this and this ordinate axis, ordinate, and this and this both are called abscissa. A B S C double S A. Abscissa or abscissa, whatever it may be, right? Just put the values of these given numbers. Value I equal to x plus 3 we have now. Just for x equal to -2, we will get -1. So this is the point. Point is -2, -1. Writing method. X equal to -1, we have 0, 1. Plus 1. X equal to -1, we have plus 1. This is -1, plus 1. This is the point. And x equal to 0, we have 3. 0, 3. And x equal to 1, we have 5. X equal to 1, we have 5. Right? See the first term. -2, -1. The x axis, the point is x, the point is y. The point is x, point is y. Point is x, y point is here. X is 1, y is 5. Right? X is 2, y is 7. 2 into 7. See, just join all these points. So you are getting them. This is y is equal to 2x plus 3 line. See, whatever it may be, for any values of for linear equation, we will get only straight line. That is called linear. Linear means straight. Linear equation. For degree 1, you will get linear equation. We have the only one zero of the polynomial, only one zero. That 0 means where it cuts the x-axis. Okay, this point is called 0 of a polynomial or equation. Where the line cuts the x-axis, very important. Where the line cuts the x-axis is called 0 of a equation or 0 of a line. Means we are taken where the value x becomes, where the line cuts the x-axis, where the line cuts the x-axis, where line cuts or intersects with the x-axis is called, okay, is called 0 of an equation. Is called 0 of an equation. So here, with respect to what the answer is for here, -3/2 na? -3/2 means what? -1.5. See, Exactly here, na? The point is between 1 and 2, minus 1 and 2, right? Right? This is the minus 1.2, no? Minus 1.5 means also minus 3 by 2. Okay. Itself is a geographical meaning or geometrical meaning of polynomial, where the x-axis, the line cuts x-axis, means here 3 is the value of equation at x equal to 0, right? We want it should cut the, see, here is not cutting, here is not, we are taking the many values of x, but still it is not cutting the x-axis. Some point, only one point, it is cutting the intersecting the x-axis. That's called zero of a polynomial, zero of the equation. This point only, okay? This is called complete also. You can, for remembers only, zeroth line you can call zeroth line of equation. Zeroth line of zeroth axis. Whatever it may be, any line cuts the x-axis, okay? These are called zeros of the x-axis. Whatever it may be, any equation, okay? Wherever it cuts, okay? Not only here, 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 okay? What's it? Where the zeroth of a variable x is, okay? If the equation is like that, okay? If the equation is like that, 2y plus 3 means p of y is equal to 2y plus 3. Here variable becomes y. Only for the, they are given the book, only for the understanding I am given here. P of y, okay, means y is independent variable, x is dependent variable. Then this point is called, okay, again, see, value changes here. I will take this. Here becomes y becomes this one and x becomes this one. Okay, value changes here again. Okay, value changes, and till now this line cuts through something else, different ways, like that or something else, or like that or something. Okay, it cuts in a different manner. Okay, just the again can write also. Okay, p of t is equal to 2t plus 3. P of s is equal to 2s plus 3. P of z is equal to 2z plus 3. This is the, okay, independent variable line. Independent, and this one is dependent. Okay, dependent means result line. Very clear. Okay, so now just x, y, z, t, s, these are these lines. So some peculiar parameters, okay, peculiar features of this one. Let's see. Okay, just understand this one basically. Only some 2 or 3 equations I am writing here. With respect to axis, na, again, it helps to you in the coordinate geometry and understanding the some more concepts. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, y, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. This is x dash, this is y dash. Okay. Okay, with respect to u, okay, coordinate geometry also, you can consider that also. Some equations I am telling here. So the graph shows. Okay, take the line y is equal to x, means p of x is equal to x, single line. So okay, here for x, y, see whatever value of you will get same value 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, y equal to x means x is independent, y is dependent. So whatever value of x you are taking, you are getting same values. Similarly, so for 0 we are getting 0, for 1 we are getting 1, for 2 we are getting 2, for 3 we are getting 3, 4 we are getting 4, and for minus 1 we are getting minus 1, 2 will minus 1. This line is cuts it. Positive axis, this becomes y equal to x. Very importantly, okay. This is the line y is equal to x. Exactly pass to the center and completely symmetric toward the same point. Okay. Say making the quadrant into two different. In first quadrant, second quadrant, first and third quadrant, it divides it into two equal parts. This is the y equal to x line. Okay. This line, this words, y is equal to 2x, y is equal to 3x, y is equal to 4x, something else. Line goes this side, like that, like that, like that, right? Also, if y equal to 1 there, y equal to 2x plus 1, okay, this is the one here, line start from here, okay, cuts here, for 2, for 3, for 5, something else. Means put the x equal to 0, we will get 1, put the x equal to 0, we will get 2, put the x equal to 0, something else we will get by the line pass through, like that. If the coefficient, okay, a is greater than 1, we will get the lines at this side. If a is less than 1, we will get the lines here, this side. Okay, this is y is equal to 1 by 2x, y is equal to 1 by 3x, y is equal to 1 by 4x, okay, near to y equal to 1 by 100x. This is the beauty. If the value coefficient of x is greater than 1, we will get the line shifted toward the y-axis. If the line is less than 1, y, the coefficient of x is less than 1, the straight line bends towards the x-axis. And something very important. Okay. This is very important. See, whatever it may be, so we are moving towards this line. At x equal to 3, right here, almost for any point y equal to 0, any point on x-axis, any point on x-axis, the value of y is 0, because these are straight lines, parallel lines. You can put the line here. So only x is shifting. X equal to 3, x equal to 4, x equal to 5, x equal to 7, something else. The here point is, whatever it may be, point is 5, 0 here, 6, 0 here, 8, 0. So in general, x 0 means the line, the point is on the x-axis. Only consider the only x point. Similarly, if the point is here, okay, x equal to 0, x equal to 0, x equal to 0, x equal to 0. This means 0 and 5, 0 and 4, 0 and 2. Right? So in general, the any point at here is 0 and y. Any point on x, we will consider only x point and y becomes 0 on x-axis, and y-axis, x is 0. Okay. If the line cuts at point, line cuts the x-axis, then value becomes x and 0. If the line cuts y-axis means 0 and y. Right? So in solving the question, we came to know. But very important is, on x-axis y is 0 and y-axis x is 0. The value of x is 0. Basic thing. Geometrical meaning, okay? This is with respect to linear equation. Let's try for the quadratic equation. Nice, okay. If y is equal to, let's take the example one, x square minus 8x plus 6, x square minus 8x plus 6, right? 2x square. Okay. So here you know how to split the middle term. Just make the factorization to find the zeros of this equation. Okay. So 2 into 6, 12. This is the 8. For 6 into 2, no? Minus 6 plus 2. Minus 2, no? Minus 2. Right. 2x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 6. Right? And this becomes 2x is common, x minus 6 minus 2 is common, x minus 6. This becomes x minus 6 and 2x minus 2 is equal to common. Right? Minus 2 minus 6. Yes. These are the factors. So, if you want to find, I have to make the 0 is equal to x minus 6 and 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. We will get x equal to 6 or x equal to 1. 2 by 2, huh? 2 by 2 is 1, huh? Right? Yes. This is 3, right? 3. This is 3, right? So here x equal to 3 and x equal to plus 2 by 2, 2 together, x equal to 1, or I can use the another method also, whatever it may be. Yes. So here you are getting, see, two values na here, x equal to 3 and x equal to 1 are the zeros of this equation, right? We are getting two values, x equal to 3 and x equal to 1. That's called quadratic because degree is 2 here, very important. Degree is 2. Okay. Then how to find the zeros of this? Geometrical meaning here is, it's geometrical meaning. For linear equation you have the only 1 0. For quadratic we are getting 2 zeros, right? 0, x, x dash, y, y dash. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay. X equal to 1 and x equal to 3. Okay. X equal to 1 and x equal to 3 are the two values. Okay. Then by straight line, linear equation, it cannot be possible to plot the two lines. So here our curve should get, okay, okay, this should be here our equation. Here x is equal to 1 and x equal to 3. Yes sir, this is the equation. This is y is equal to which one? 2x square minus 8x plus equal to 0. So if I put x equal to 0, I should get the value. Yes, I should get the value 6. Simple terms are there. Okay. This is depends on the ax square plus bx plus c, where a is equal to which one? 2, b is equal to minus 8 and c is equal to 6. Okay. This, okay, if our for quadratic equation have the two values, the curve cuts the x is in two places. One is at x equal to 1, another is at x equal to 3. Therefore, it's called quadratic mean. Degree 2 means we are getting 2 values. For degree 3 means we are getting the 3 values. Okay. This is 3. This is y is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the point 1. X equal to 1, x equal to 7, x equal to minus 5, minus 7, and x equal to minus 4. Right? For cubic equation, get the 3 points. For 4 equations, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is y is equal to x to the power 5. Simple in simple terms. If the degree is 2, you will get the 2 values. Curve becomes, thus curve cut the y-axis into 2 places. If degree is 3, you will get the curve such that it cuts the x-axis in 3 places. If degree is 4, you will get the curve such that it cuts the x-axis at 4 points. If degree is 5, you will get the curve such that cuts the x-axis at 5 points. If degree is 6, you will get the curve cuts the x-axis at 6 places. If degree is n, we will get the curve, right? We will get the curve, whatever it may be, x to the power n. Okay. How many points it cuts the x-axis? That number of degree we have in this equation. That is the beauty. Geometrical meaning of polynomial. Okay. Let's see the, okay then. Just I have to include this one only for whatever it may be. If the curve is okay, if curve cutting the x-axis means, then we have the solution. If it is not, no, it is no solution. Okay, whatever it may be. If it is, no solution. If it is, no solution. Okay, if it is cutting C, well, becomes line only. Okay, if it is something else here, okay, here, depends on the value of A, it opens. Okay, if it is A is greater than 1, it opens. Less than 1, it downwards. B is smaller or less than 1, it, okay, space is very less. If it B is greater than 1, space is bigger, length, and C touches the y-axis, shift left right. It's the movement of the curve. Okay, that is not only for exam purpose, but the exam purpose only, they will give the diagram where it cuts the x-axis or not. If the line touches the x-axis, then how many places it touches, that much of zeros we have. That's only for exam purpose. In next class we came to know how the x behaves, b behaves, c values. Okay, depends on the x and x, ABC value, how the curve behaves, maneuvers according to the parameters. Right? That's easy. For degree 2 we have 2 values, for degree 3 we have 3 values, for degree 4 we have 4 values. This is the second concept, I think so. Next we will study some examples and the relationship between the zeros and coefficient. Okay, relation of the zeros of the polynomial and coefficient of the equation polynomial. Let's start that one in next classes. Okay, again I will revise it here once again. Okay. First concept is the polynomial is the algebraic expression of variables and variables, dependent variables and independent variables in terms of x value usually we write, and depends on terms we have monomial, binomial, trinomial, and depends on the degree we have constant function 0 degree, linear equation degree 1, quadratic equation this one degree 2, and cubic equation degree 3, and biquadratic equation degree 4. Okay, main focus is the different of the degree. Okay, they will ask you what is degree, what do you mean a degree, right? Okay, and the zeroth of a polynomial, the value of x where the equation becomes 0 is called zero of a polynomial. The value of x where the whole equation becomes 0 is called zeroth of a polynomial. For degree 1 linear equation has only 1 0, means it cuts the x-axis at 1 places because it's the straight line. And quadratic equation we have the x equal to have the 2 values of 0, 2 values of x, we are getting the equation 0 So therefore, the curve curves the x-axis at 2 points. For cubic equation, we have the 3 zeros. The curve curves the x-axis in 3 places. For quadratic equation, the degree 4. We have the 4 values of x where the curve intersect or curves the x-axis at 4 different places. That's okay, sir. That's all for the today, and we'll come to the next class. Relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial and equation. Okay. Next class you can conclude the syllabus also. Let's conclude this one, okay? We have completed the second chapter, first and second concept. We'll come to the next concept, next chapter. Okay, thanks for watching, and please give the feedback to update myself. Okay, thank you very much.